Okay, so in part one, we looked at the upstairs, so now we're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna take a look at everything that got done downstairs. So, this floor, sorry, a lot of people in town are using it, and it's a waterproof floor, so, you know, not my favorite, but hey, it's not my favorite. So there's the store. And that's where everybody is, the bus stop right there. And so, you know, there are a lot of traffic, a lot of people wandering around. And the house down there with the flag, somebody asked me to renovate that thing about 1.5 years ago, and I said no. And that thing was a piece of crap. Behind it is a crazy people home. Maybe y'all can see it right there. It goes all the way down. It's a crazy people home. And when I was looking at that house, it's the funniest thing. When I was looking at that house, there was a bunch of people sitting out back. And I said, it was about lunchtime. I said, hey, it's about lunchtime. What y'all eating for lunch? And some guy in a wheelchair looked at me and goes, I'm drinking my lunch. And he held up a bottle of Wild Irish Rose. So anyway, I thought that was kind of funny. That made my day. And these people at that home were just crazy, you know. It was funny. It's just funny. So anyway, all right, not trying to say anything, just saying it was funny. So, all right, the kitchen. All right, we did the HVAC closet right here. So that's the HVAC closet. And then this is the half bath in the house. And so there is no crawl space access for this house outside, so we had to make one. So this door right here is screwed in there, but it's actually a wood panel door, and that's the access to the crawl space in the house. We just had to seal it off. So we have this nice little half bath right here, really small space, but we were able to make something work in it. And then over here is the laundry room. So the laundry room has got the place where the laundry goes. So that's pretty much it. And then the kitchen. So the kitchen right here, this is a absolute black granite. It's a level 1+. It's nice. It's not absolutely black, but you know, it's black enough. Trademark sink, and then backsplash. Couldn't find anybody to do it, so I actually had to do that one myself. Didn't look half bad, and the tiles are still sticking. So, turned out all right. Next time, so one thing, once I put the cabinets in, I realized that there's really not that many places for like drawers. There's only one drawer there and one drawer right there. There's no other drawers in this kitchen, so I probably should have thought that through a little bit better. And I had this kitchen designed by a cabinet company or cabinet provider. So, you know, I would have thought that they would have caught that too. But I don't really know. Maybe you guys can leave me a comment or something about, you know, what I could have done here. Maybe I could have gone, because this is a 9-inch. So maybe I could have gone with a 30-inch and put a 12 or a 15 in here, and that would have given me another door, because that's a 15 right there. So I could have gone with a 30-inch sink base, and then 30-inch sink base, so that's a 36, and then I could have gone with a 15, and that would have given me another drawer. It's probably what I should have done. But the thing was good. We did put a pantry in here, so did that. And originally in this kitchen, the hot water heater was over there, and so we created a closet where the hot water heater is now. So now we have this, and it turned out nice. And we put a light in here, because why not? So, yeah. Yeah, I think it turned out okay. And, you know, this house is, you know, pretty cool when you look from back here, you know, when you're looking from the kitchen, where you're preparing or entertaining or what have you. It's pretty cool layout. Backyard is a backyard. We had to redo this concrete right here. And so we just had to put this post up because it was all rotten. So we had to redo that. And, you know, you can see there's a lot of construction going on. A lot of activity down here, and it's happening in a little place. That's where everybody wants to be. So I'm fine with that, because then they won't live next to me. Let's see. Yeah, one thing is interesting is, the owner has said that I had bunched up, the chain like that and it wasn't looking good. But actually, I have it set to the right height for what it needs to be for when the dining table's set. I have the chain already set. So, one thing about these dining room chandeliers is they're supposed to be at a certain height above the table, so that my contractors and me didn't keep hitting our head on this thing. We just jacked it up. So we just take a link and we just split the link like that and we just hook it up. And then when it comes time for the people to move in, they just take the link, unhook it, bring the light down to where it needs to be, and then close that link back up. And that way they'll be able to do what they want to do. A lot of my contractors said they would take a chair and they would just sit right here and they would watch the show, because there's always something interesting going on in this house, in this neighborhood. So, anyway, I hope you guys like these renovation videos. I will try to do some more of them in the future, and let me know what y'all think. All right, thanks for watching, thanks for paying attention, and we will talk to you on the next one. All right, and if you need anything, call me. My phone number is on the YouTube video, and if it's not, you can look on my website, forestbosshouses.com, and you can get it there. All right, thanks a lot. Thanks for looking. Take care. Bye-bye.